Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So first thing that you need to do is you need to prepare your Phantom Wallet. So you're going to open Phantom Wallet and then you are going to get your Solana address. You're going to click on Receive button. Then you're going to select Solana from the list of assets. Then you're going to copy the address. Then afterwards, you're going to open up Binance and you're going to log into your Binance account. Then you're going to initiate the withdrawal. You're going to navigate to Wallets, click on the Wallets tab or icon, then select Withdraw. Find the Withdraw option and click on it. Afterwards, you're going to choose Solana, and you're going to search for Solana SOL in the list of cryptocurrencies. Afterwards, you're going to enter recipient's address. Paste the Solana address you copied from your Phantom Wallet into the designated field. Then after that, you're going to choose your specified amounts that you wish to transfer, and then you're going to select network. So ensure the network is set to Solana. Then you're going to confirm the withdrawal and double check all the details and click on withdraw to confirm the transaction. Then you're going to complete the two-factor authentication. Then afterwards, you're going to finish other additional verification. You might need to complete other security checks such as entering a withdrawal password or confirming via email. Then lastly, number 5, monitor the transaction. You can track the progress usually by tracking the status of a withdrawal within the Binance platform. And then check Phantom Wallet. Once the transaction is complete, you should see the transferred Solana balance reflected in your Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.